students, in this video we are going to solve the examples on mathematics practical number 15 probability distribution. The first two examples are already solved in the practical book. Now let us see the example number 3. A discrete random variable x takes the values -1, 0, 2 with the probabilities 1/4, 1/2 and 1/4 respectively. Find the values of variance of x and standard deviation. Students, in this example, some part of the solution is already given and you have to write the remaining part of the solution. Now in this example, the given that the random variable x takes the values -1, 0 and 2 and their corresponding probabilities are 1/4, 1/2 and 1/4. So we can write probability of -1 is equal to 1/4, probability of 0 is equal to 1/2 and probability of 2 is equal to 1/4. The given data can be tabulated as follows. The first row shows the values of random variable xi. So in the example, there are three values for xi, -1, 0 and 2. And the second row shows their probabilities. Probability of -1 is given 1/4, probability of 0 is equal to 1/2 and probability of 2 is equal to 1/4, which is given in the example. And we know that the sum of all probabilities in the given probability distribution is equal to 1. Now, for finding the variance of x and standard deviation, we have to find some values. And the first value is the product of xi and pi. So here write the product of corresponding values of xi and pi. So first xi pi is -1 into 1/4. So product of -1 and 1/4 is -1/4. Right here -1/4. Second product 0 into 1/2 is equal to 0. Third product xi into pi 2 into 1/4, that is 2/4. So right here 2/4. And summation of all these values -1/4 plus 0 and 2/4 is equal to -1/4 plus 2/4, 1/4. So right here 1/4. The next row is the product of xi square into pi. Here xi square into pi. The first value of xi is -1 and square of -1 is 1 into pi. That is the product xi square pi is 1/4. Next product 0 into 1/2, 0. Third product of xi square into pi, 2 square is equal to 4. 4 into their corresponding probability 1/4, that is 4/4. So right here 4/4. And in the last row, we can write the summation of all xi square into pi, that is 1/4 plus 4/4, that is 5/4. Right here the summation of xi square pi is equal to 5/4. Now for the value of variance of x, we know the formula for variance of x. E of x square minus E of x bracket square. E of x means the expected value or mean of the given probability distribution. So we know that here E of x is equal to the value of summation xi into pi. Here we have already find the value of xi into pi is equal to 1/4. So E of x is equal to 1/4. Now for variance of x, we can substitute the value of E of x is equal to 1/4. And here E of x square means E of x square means summation of xi square into pi, and this value is 5/4. Now substituting these two values in the value of variance of x, that is E of x square summation of xi square pi minus E of x bracket square is equal to summation of xi into pi bracket square. Here summation of xi square pi is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Right here 5 by 4 minus summation xi pi. Summation xi pi is equal to 1 by 4 bracket square. So write here 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4 bracket square. Now 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4 square, that is 1 by 16. Getting the denominator, we get multiplying by 4 to numerator and denominator's term, then the value is 20 upon 16 minus 1 by 16 is equal to 19 by 16. And 19 by 16, variance of x is equal to 19 by 16 is equal to 1.1875. Answer of variance of x is equal to 19 by 16 and decimal form 1.1875. Now the second value for standard deviation is equal to, the standard deviation is square root of variance of x, the value of square root of variance of x. So right here in square root, variance of x is 1.18 and square root of 1.18 is 1.0897. So right here when standard deviation is equal to under root of variance of x is equal to under root of 1.18 is equal to 1.0897. Now let's see the example number 4. Here example number 4, this is from reduce syllabus. So let us see the next example, example number 5. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. The first row shows the values of x. There are 8 values from 0 to 7, and the second row shows their corresponding probabilities. So probability of 0 is 0, probability of 1 is k, probability of 2 is 2k, probability of 3 is equal to 2k, probability of 4 is equal to 3k. Next probability for 5 is equal to k square, for 6 to k square, and for p probability for x is equal to 7, 7k square plus k, which are given in the probability distribution. Now here find the values of k, probability of x less than 3, probability of x greater than 6, probability of x lies between 0 to 3, and the next probability x lies between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4. Now the above distribution is the probability distribution, so we can write the summation of probability x is equal to xi. Here I from 1 to 8. X takes the values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, right here, I from 1 to 8. Of probability x is equal to xi is equal to 1. Here first probability for x is equal to 0. This can be written as the summation of all these probabilities. So probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1, probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3, probability of x is equal to 4 plus probability of x is equal to 5 plus probability of x is equal to 6 and plus probability of x is equal to 7, and sum of all this probability for given probability distribution is equal to 1. From this equation we get the values of probability of x is equal to 0 is given, 0, which is given in the example. Probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1, which is k. Probability for x is equal to 2 plus 2k. Probability of x is equal to 3, also 2k in the given table, plus next probability is probability of x is equal to 4, 3k. Next probability for 5 is equal to k square plus 2k square, and next probability 7k square plus k is equal to 1. Now calculating all k's, we get 1k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k, that is 8k. 8k plus 1k, 9k. Here total number of k's are 9k, and k square terms are 1k square plus 2k square plus 7k square, that is 10k square. Right here 10k square plus 9k is equal to, so write here in the equation form 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in k. So by using factorization method, we can write 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10k from these two terms, then in bracket k plus 1 minus k plus 1 is equal to 0. So the first factor is k plus 1 and second factor is 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get two values of k is equal to minus 1 or k is equal to 1 by 10. Here k is equal to minus 1 is not possible because of probability lies between 0 to 1. So k is equal to minus 1 is not possible, and therefore k is equal to only 1 by 10. So here the value of k is equal to 1 by 10. This is the answer for first question. In the given question, k is equal to 1 by 10. Now the next question is, find the value of probability x less than 3. So here we have to find the next value, probability of x less than 3. Here the possible values of x less than 3 are 0, 1 and 2. So we can write here probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. The addition of all these probability means probability of x less than 3. Here probability of x is equal to 0, which is given in the probability distribution 0, plus probability of x is equal to 1 is k, and probability for x is equal to 2k. So total number of k's are 3k, and we know that the k is equal to 1 by 10. So substitute k 1 by 10. Then we get the value of probability of x less than 3 is equal to 3 by 10. This is the value of probability of x less than 3. Now next value, the probability of x greater than 6. So here we have to find the probability of x greater than 6, and in the given probability distribution, the possible values of x less than 6 are x greater than 6 are only one value for x is equal to 7. The greater number for x greater than 6 is only 7. So here write only probability for x is equal to 7, which is greater than 6. And here the probability for x is equal to 7, which is given in distribution table 7k square plus k. Now substitute the value of k 1 by 10. So write here 7 into 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 10. So 7 into 1 by 100 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 7 by 100 plus 10 by 100. Multiplying to next second term by 10 for equal denominator, then we get 7 plus 10, that is 70 by 100. 17 by 100. This is the answer for probability of x greater than 6. Now for next question, next probability for x lies between 0 to 3. Now here possible values of x which is lies between 0 to 3 are 1 and 2. The possible values of x are which are lies between 0 to 3 are 1 and 2. So here write the addition of all probabilities which lies between 0 to 3 are probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2, and values of x is equal to 1k plus for x is equal to 2k. These are probabilities of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 is equal to 3k. Now substituting the value of k, 3 into 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. This is the value for probability of x lies between 0 to 3. Now the last question is probability of x lies between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4. Here this inequality less than or equal to and less than or equal to shows the probability of x lies between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4, including the upper and lower limit. So here we have to find the probability of x lies between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4. So the probability of 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here are possible values of x are probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3 plus probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to probability of x is equal to 2, which is given in the distribution 2k, plus next probability 2k, next probability for x is equal to 4, 3k. The addition of 2k plus 3k, 7k. Now substituting the value of k 1 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. So value is equal to 7 by 10. Let's see the example number 6. The PMF of a random variable x is as follows. For random variable x, the values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and their corresponding probabilities are 1 by 30, 4 by 30, 9 by 30 and 16 by 30. Here we have to find out the values of mean and the variance of given probability mass function. Now the given data can be tabulated is as follows. The values of xi 1, 2, 3, 4 which is given in the example. Next, in the next column their corresponding probabilities 1 by 30, 4 by 30, 9 by 30 and 16 by 30 which are given in the PMF. Now the next column, the product of xi pi. We can write the product of xi pi, xi into pi. 1 into 1 by 30, 1 by 30. 2 into 4 by 30 is equal to 8 by 30. 3 into 9 by 30. 3 into 9, 27 by 30. 4 into 16 by 30 is equal to 64 by 30. Now the next column, xi square. So the square of each xi, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. And in the last column, we have to calculate the values of xi square into pi. So the product of second and fourth column is 1 by 30 into 1, 1 by 30, 4 by 30 into 4, 16 by 30, 9 by 30 into 9, 81 by 30, and 16 by 30 into 16, 16 square, 256 by 30. Here find the sum of all xi pi. So adding 1 by 30 plus 8 by 30, 9 by 30 plus 27 by 30, 36 by 30 plus 64 by 30, that is 100 by 30. This is the sum of xi into pi. And also sum of xi square pi, 1 by 30 plus 16 by 30, 17, 17 plus 81, 98, 98 plus 256, 98 plus 256, 354 by 30. This is the sum of xi square into pi. Now here we have to find the mean and the variance of given PMF. So here we have already find the values of xi pi, 100 by 30, and xi summation of xi square pi is equal to 354 by 30. So write in this form summation xi pi and summation xi square into pi. So for the mean is denoted by E of x, and the formula for expected value of x is equal to summation xi pi for I is equal to 1 to n. Here n is equal to 4. So write here n is equal to 4. Summation xi pi is equal to 100 by 30. So write here 100 by 30. That is in shortest form 10 by 3, and in decimal form 3.33. This is the value for mean or expected value. Now next value is variance of x, and we know that variance of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x bracket square. Here E of x square means summation of xi square pi, and E of x is summation xi pi bracket square. Now we have already found the value of xi square into pi is equal to 354 upon 30. Now the shortest form of 354 by 30, dividing by 6, then we get 6 5s are 30 and 6 9s are 54 and 6 5s are 30. So shortest form of this xi square pi is 59 by 5, and shortest form of xi pi is 10 by 3. So write the values in the shortest form. In the formula of variance, then we get summation xi square pi is equal to 59 by 5 minus summation xi pi 10 by 3 bracket square. Now calculating these values, 59 by 5 minus 10 by 3 bracket square, 59 by 5 minus 100 by 9. Taking cross multiplication, 59 minus 9 is equal to 531. 59 into 9, 531 minus 100 into 5, 500 divided by 9 into 5, 45. So subtraction of this 531 minus 500, 31 by 45. And in decimal form we can write 0.69. So variance of x for given probability mass function is equal to 0.69 and mean is equal to 3.33. Let's see the example number 7 from a survey of 20 families in a society. The following data was obtained. In the first row, number of children are given, and in the second row, number of families are given. The number of children are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and number of families are 5 families in which the 0 number of children. Next, for number of 1 children, there are 11 families. Next, number of families 2, next 0, and the last number of families are 2. For the random variable x is equal to number of children in a randomly chosen family, find E of x and variance of x. For the given data, we can tabulate it is as follows. For first column, this tabular form, we can write in the first column x is equal to xi. In the second column, their corresponding probabilities, probability of x is equal to xi. In the third column, the product of xi pi, then xi square, and the last column xi square into pi. So write here values of xi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is number of children, and their corresponding probabilities, that is the number of families out of total number of families. So probability for x is equal to 0, we can write the number of families upon the total number of families. Here total number of families are 5 plus 11, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20. So out of 20 families, the probability for x is equal to 0, 5 by 20. Probability for x is equal to 1, 11 by 20. Probability for x is equal to 2, we can write 2 by 20. For next, xi is equal to 3, 0 by 20, that is 0. And for x is equal to 4, their corresponding probability 2 by 20. Now from this 2 column, we get the third column. The product of these 2 columns is equal to third column xi into pi. Product of 0 into 5 by 20 is 0. 1 into 11 by 20, 11 by 20. 2 into 2 by 20, 4 by 20. 3 into 0, we get 3, we get 0. 4 into 2 by 20, 8 by 20. Now the values of xi square, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. Product of xi square pi, that is the product of second and fourth column. So product of first value is 0. Second product 11 by 20 into 1, 11 by 20. 2 by 20 into 4, 8 by 20. 0 into 9, 0. 2 by 20 into 16, 32 by 20. Now here for finding the mean and variance, we have to find the summation of xi pi. So summation of xi pi is 11 by 20 plus 4 by 20, 15 by 20 plus 80 by 20, 23 by 20. Now xi square pi is equal to 11 by 20 plus 8 by 20, 19 by 20 plus 32 by 20, 51 by 20. So here summation of xi pi. Here summation of xi pi is equal to 23 by 20 and summation xi square pi is equal to 51 by 20. We know that expected value means mean, the value of mean can be calculated using the summation of xi pi. Here summation of xi pi is equal to 23 by 20, that is 1.15 in decimal form. So E of x is equal to 1.15. Variance of x is equal to summation of xi square pi minus summation xi pi bracket square. Here xi square pi is equal to 51 by 20 minus summation xi square xi pi bracket square 23 by 20 bracket square. Here write 51 by 20 minus 23 square 529 divided by 400. For the same value of denominator, multiply by 20 to each term, then 51 into 20, 51 into 20 divided by 20 into 20 minus 529 by 400. Here 10, 20, 1020 divided by 400 minus 529 divided by 400. Subtraction of 1020 minus 529 divided by 400 is equal to 491 divided by 400. Subtraction of 1020 minus 529 is equal to 491 divided by 100, and in decimal form 1.2275. The answer for variance of x for a given probability mass function is equal to 1.2275. Students, here we have completed the practical number 15 probability distribution.